In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to combine multiple photos together on your iPhone. Let's get started. You'll need to get this app Shortcuts. This is the default app in your device. Now click on this plus option given at the top right. Click on the option Use Shortcut and give it a name. I'm going to give it as Combine. Once you do that, at the bottom you're going to find this search box. Over there you'll need to type in Select Photos. Click on it. Then click on this arrow option. Toggle on for the option Select Multiple. Now search for another action, that is Combine Photos. Once it appears, click on it. Now click on this icon and select whether you want to combine photos horizontally or vertically. Then search for another action. Type in Save to Photo Album. Click on it. Now click on Done. You have created the shortcut. Now clicking on the shortcut, your gallery will open up. Now you can select the pictures that you want to combine. Then you can launch your Photos app. The picture will be available there. So this is how you can easily combine multiple photos together on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.